welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, Glambag Plus edition. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and this is my beautiful daughter Haley, aka Love Haley. Definitely make sure to check my description box below so you guys can check her channel out. Over there, she's doing Vlogmas and a bunch of other stuff, and she loves Star Wars.
Baby Yoda, baby Yoda.
So if you are new to Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, Glambag Plus edition, what we do is, if you guys don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. There are different options available. This one is $25? $25 a month, and thankfully, because of my beautiful Patreon family, I take the donations from our Patreons and put it right back into here, so they actually get first dibs on watching me do an unboxing video. But then there's also the now $12 a month bag, and then there's like the Ipsy Ultimate.
Just $50 a month. It's a mixture of full size and deluxe sample size products.
Which we don't get that one. We only do
we're
this
not
one
that
and a little.
bougie.
And in the little bag. So definitely make sure to subscribe, stick around, because we embrace the hot mess here. We run on a lot of caffeine, at least I do. Not so much her, because she's still young, you know? And it's a judgment-free zone. So we do hope that you do decide to subscribe, stick around, and become part of the Hot Mess Express. Check her channel out as well, and be notified. Turn that little notification, I forgot what I was saying. Turn that notification bell on, because like I said, we'll be doing Ipsy versus Ipsy Glambag Mother versus Daughter edition. We do Sephora.
I feel like we haven't gone to Sephora in like ages.
Yeah, it comes later and later every single month. Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Okay.
Jump in.
So, my first item, I'm going to do the one that I picked. So I picked this Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. That's a mouthful.
When you say
for $25.
When you say pick, was this like an add-on, or this is an option?
It was an option that I could pick it. And I'm like, I like setting spray full size. Okay, girl. So I picked this. Sometimes I just pick the most expensive item.
Yeah. I feel like
I want to see the mister. My big forehead.
Oh.
Hello, come on, girl.
What is going on with that? There it is. It's a nice fine mister. Yeah.
It smells pretty good. My bangs.
It smells like something I used on you guys when you guys were little.
Like the detangler spray.
Yes.
The apple, the octopus apple.
It smells good.
I like it.
I legitimately don't remember. My whole Ipsy was a little on the messed up side.
Oh, there's aloe and cucumber in it. That's what it smells
That's
like.
what it is. Okay.
Ooh, keeps your look from melting, cracking, or fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. Girl, must
and
have
fine lines? Dang.
Must have for a hectic holiday schedule. Girl, this is gonna be my new favorite thing because my makeup always cracks right here on my nose.
Complex Culture Brush Press and Set Bronzer Brush that retails for $35. Ooh, it is really
bougie.
soft.
I have the same one.
It does look really bougie. Like, that's really pretty.
Contour, this is like,
ooh,
this is
yeah.
big. That's like more bronzer for me.
A little bit about it says every Complex Culture brush is made to multitask and save you time in your day, thanks to its exclusive, luxurious, dense Syntec. The bristles are designed to mimic natural brush hairs. 2-in-1 setting and bronzing brush helps you to apply both powder products seamlessly.
So my next item is something my mom also got. That brush is super soft. I'm so excited.
It really is.
This is
How do you say that?
Evolve.
Oh.
This just has accents. Super oil. And let's read on here.
Hydrating serum.
It's an instant moisture without heaviness. It's plant-based. What's it for? Is it for your face? Okay, this oil is perfect for anyone who is new to the face oil game, so it's for your face. Use in place of a serum. Follow with day or night cream. So that's cool.
No animal testing. Has hyaluronic acid as the second.
Yours is way heavier than mine.
Oh, dude, yours is legitimately like halfway.
Yeah, it's right there.
How did I?
Like, did it leak?
Why did I see it on yours, but mine seems to be more
because
like...
if you feel the difference, yours is literally all the way full.
But I can see yours.
Yeah, but yours is so full that it's like, there's no...
Wow.
Because feel.
Oh, dude, yours does feel empty.
Can
Like,
I
hers
email?
is literally right here. I would. At least try. I mean, it says it is...
$68.
That's crazy. It says there's 1 full ounce, too. That you do not have a full ounce. The lies. Okay, so my next item... Oh, it's a Morphe lipstick in Dominate, baby. This retails for $9, and I really don't remember what we were... Were we picking this?
I picked this. It was, you could pick, there was a few different things, but I wanted setting spray.
Oh.
That's pretty. Very holiday.
It is a really pretty holiday color, but it's scary. It's scary. It's pretty. May end up in a giveaway because Ron is scared. I'm trying to get outside that comfort zone though, y'all.
Okay, so this is, let's see, what brand is this called on here? Ipsy, ITTS with E with a thing on it. The Van Ness Eyeshadow Quad.
It says build your own palette.
Yeah, but it comes with 4 eyeshadows in this giant thing, which is, oh my gosh, this retails for $60.
Really?
This is like in the Natasha Denona packaging.
Why? Oh, you can add more shades to it. I'm like, okay, so yeah, she's right. It does look like a Natasha Denona packaging. Like, here's the Sunset palette.
Oh, because it's magnetic.
Yeah, because I was like, that is such a waste of space.
Yeah,
so when she opens it, hold on, let me. I actually really like these colors.
They're good for like, I feel like the spongy stuff in there that you can remove, it would be good for when you're traveling.
Oh, our colors are even different.
Oh, well, let's see. I guess I'll bust this back open and see what colors I got. See if it says. No.
It's on the back of the box. Grace, Metamorphosis, Pink Pearl, and Beatnik. Beatnik.
I have Sure Shot, After Hours, Bare Canvas, and Velveteen.
Okay, so yeah, it looks like... Oh yeah, that's much better. So... if you take this little piece out, you can pop more into your palette.
The packaging, it really reminds me of Natasha Denona. Granted, I don't have a Natasha Denona palette.
But could you imagine $60-some for this?
No.
Okay, I screwed it up, so I'm keeping that out.
Like $60, like, oh my god.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay, our next one is the Noiha Organic Lip Balm Set in Peppermint and Vanilla, and there's only 5 ingredients in these.
That's cool.
Leaves lips feeling soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut oil, olive, and essential oils, a hint of stevia.
Also, it's gonna be sweet and keto friendly.
Helps to indulge your sweet tooth and protect your lips from the winter chap. And it says, tip, before using a bold lip, ensure smooth application or on the top of a mat to keep it finished from flaking, so you can use this. Cuticles looking a bit ragged, dab this balm onto your fingertips for a cuticle fix. And for 2 of these, it retails for $7.89 or $7.98 for a set of 2.
I like it for my lips. It has a little bit of a pepperminty tingle.
Ooh, the peppermint one smells like Andy's Mints chocolate.
It tastes good. I mean, if there's stevia in there, might as well taste it. Keto friendly, we love that.
The vanilla one I can't really smell that much. It smells like a light hint of
vanilla.
vanilla.
I didn't. I opened the
I'm wearing
peppermint
red
one.
lipstick, so I'm not going to
put
those on.
So what are your thoughts on the box?
I like it. The brush, I'm excited about that. It does look a little big. This is the bag we got, by the way.
Yeah,
it's like
I forgot about that.
With this blue color on
it's
the inside.
festive.
Yeah, so very holiday. The palette, I would never spend $60 on it.
And y'all know I'm a bougie,
but there's 4
sometimes.
colors in there. But I guess it's priced up because the magnetic part.
Yeah.
I'm bummed that this is only halfway full. This face oil. Chapstick, you can never go wrong with chapstick. This setting spray, I really hope it does what it claims to do because my makeup always breaks up on my nose. So, and the brush I'm excited about because I love brushes.
I mean, it does remind me, this palette does remind me like this color of the Natasha Denona, but when you open it up, you know,
there's a mirror in it? How did I not realize that?
It reminds me of, you know when I used to get you guys those craft kits to put together things? It reminds me of that kind of foam stuff. I mean, for 60-some dollars, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe if I play with the shadows more, I just can't see justifying, like, how many shades does this hold in total? Like maybe 9, 12, at best maybe 8.
Like,
8 to maybe 10 on here. I don't know. I really have PMS today. So I think I'm extra, like,
judgmental.
Judgy, yeah. Yeah, I really do think I am a bit more on the, like, snippety side. I mean, I don't think the box was bad. I am excited and curious to try this. I love that it was a decent mix of, like, makeup and skincare. I don't understand, like, I didn't pick because, like I said, I was having issues somehow with my Ipsy email, so I didn't get choices.
You can pick on the app, by the way.
Yeah, I don't know what was going on. Like, everything was just off. Profile wise, I do not have that I like kinds of lipsticks, so
dang, that's how much my bag retailed for.
That's cool. I'll do mine. I mean, as far as that goes, this is a no. I mean, I think the eyeshadow colors are pretty, I don't know. This did not woo me.
You're not overwhelmed.
I'm really not, because honestly, when the different Boxycharm boxes that I've gotten, I just feel like Boxycharm is just like knocking my socks off every single month. I just, the way I look at it is Boxycharm's $25 a month, and I feel like, I don't know, guys. When it comes down to it, it's not a bad box. I just don't think it is like amazing. Yeah,
I wish that my hair or my skin serum stuff was fuller. No,
yeah.
Cool. But
my grand total
is $195.98.
And mine came to $179.98. So if you look at it value-wise that way, $25 plus tax, and I got $179.98 worth of product. That way it looks good.
I'm just really excited about the setting spray that I picked. So.
Yeah, I think this just kind of like womp womp.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Anywho. Anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Make sure that you check Hailey's channel out. Make sure to subscribe because there will be another Ipsy versus Ipsy and then a Sephora Play edition of Mother versus Daughter. So definitely make sure to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on that. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!
Bye!
My 15-year-old is literally dancing behind the camera, guys. Hence me giggling. Alright, see you guys. Bye!